I'm excited to present to you 18525 Peninsula Club Drive, offered for sale for $3,995,000.
Who knows, crazy as life goes, that we'll write a story we tell to a very own. So let's live, lost in the moment, taking it all in as we go. You know I'm counting on you, not running. I stay with me, let it keep on coming. You and I need to hold on through, as the world is in constant motion. You stay with me through this strange emotion. You and I, we will make it through. Yeah, let's go into the unknown, letting our lives flow. Together we'll lose control. I know that lately I've been acting crazy. We gotta let this feeling roll.
Thank you for watching this presentation. For more information or to schedule a private showing, please call Ben Bowen at 704-572-6070. Thank you.